Section 4. Making the front outer slip pocket and the front outer panel. So in this section you will be making the outer slip pocket and the outer front main panel. Like you did with the clasp closure strap L pieces, do the same, but this time with the S pieces, making sure the two long edges are folded into the centre on the wrong side of the strap S piece and press well with the iron. Now top stitch 1/4 inch down the two long edges on both straps. Taking both of the straps which have been top stitched, flip them over so the wrong side is facing up. Now using the measurement in step 3 of the instructions, measure in from one shorter end and mark at the measurement. Just like you did with the L pieces on the flap, pop the two female quick release parts on to that mark, then fold over the short end and stick the wrong side of the strap. Do this for both straps. Now run quilter's tape on the wrong side of both straps to approximately 1/2 inch away from the buckle parts. Take the main outer front slip pocket, right side facing up, measure in from one side and stick the first strap into place. The measurement for this is in step 5. Repeat this for the other side of the front slip pocket and the other strap. Now take the pocket with you to the sewing machine and sew down those strap long sides 1/8 inch away from the edge. See step 7 instructions for this step. This next step is optional for adding rivets. Step 8 in the instructions. From the bottom edge, measure up 6 inches and mark on both straps. Just like the flap, punch 2 holes on these marks. Pop the rivets in and set them into place. You'll notice I'm using some foam squares. I'm popping these onto the wrong side of the rivets as my rivets have a long tube neck on them. If I didn't do this, mine wouldn't set correct right. Now taking the slip pocket lining, pop this right sides to the outer main slip pocket. Using wonder clips, clip along the edge. Taking this to your sewing machine, sew using 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Once you've sewn it, turn it right side facing out and press with the iron. Top stitch 1/8 of an inch across that pressed edge. We are nearly finished with this section. So now taking the main outer front piece, which has the foam or fleece attached to it, pop the slip pocket so the lining of the slip pocket is on top of the main outer front piece. Match up the bottom half of both pieces using wonder clips, clip down the two sides and the base. Do not clip or pin the top edge of the pocket. Taking it to your sewing machine, base stitch using a 4.5 stitch length, stitch down the two sides and across the bottom edge. Now you're on a roll, you've completed this section. Now it's time to grab something to eat and a cup of tea, because we are going to move on to the next section. Section 5, how to complete the shoulder straps and how to complete the back outer panel.